Welcome, G. I am going to analyze the one stocks which have given more than 3000% in last 10 years. So let's analyze these stocks. What are the stocks? What kind of business they are doing? What are the profits and what kind of growth returns they have provided to the shareholders. So here is the headlines. The stock which I'm talking, that's jump 215% in this year 2020. And if you're talking about the last 10 years, they have given return to more than 3500 percentage. So let's know what kind of business this stocks is doing. If I'm talking about the stock has seen in 250% jumps in 2020 so far, making it 3678% rally over the past 10 years. But analysts say it has still got enough juice to reward the investor handsomely. And this stock had a 4 buy call, 3 outperform, 1 underperform, and no one given the sale rating on the publicly available router econs database on Monday, 26 October. So the public analyst researcher have shown that they have a buy call 4 times, 3 times your outperformance and 1 time underperformance, and there is no any signal for selling. If I'm talking about this company backgrounds, okay, so uh, vertically integrated. This is company name which I'm talking. Uh, Granules India. What this company doing? This manufacture active pharmaceuticals ingredient API and pharmaceutical formulations integrated and finished dose like formulations. Finished dose account for 52% of its revenue. Okay, and followed by the API 32% and FPI 16%. Okay, these are the three major manufacturing activity. One is API, that is the active pharmaceuticals ingredient, FPI, pharmaceutical formulation integration, and last, and in terms of in terms of geographic presence, the US account 53% revenue, and while EU comes second 19% shareholder, and followed by India 15%. So in the US account 53% growth, and EU come under 19, and then Indian geographical 15%, and Latin America as well as 8%. So they have a business in across the different locations. If I am talking about the company produces core drugs such as a well-known paracetamol, ibuprofen for the pains, and metformin, methacorbamol, and multiple products which are generally used. Okay, so these company are building the products which are a daily use product and commonly used product like paracetamol and ibuprofen. If I talk about the Q2 earning, so this company reported 70% up consolidated net profit in for the September quarter, and with this reported, and the revenue from the operation is the 22%, Similarly, the same period ago. So 17% net profit is reported by this in September quarter. If I'm talking earlier, the company has uh, the company had reported 32% in the profit in June quarter as well as, and a 44% jumps in the March quarter as well as. So this so the consistent growth. If I am talking to what are the advantages, so the company has reduced debt drastically, and this is the one good point of is this company is that the company has delivered good profit growth, 28% CAGR in last 5 years. That is compounded annual growth returns. If I'm talking the negatives point, so this stocks are trading 4 times of its book value, and company might be capitalized the interest cost, and the promoter holding decreased by in the last 3 years by the 6%. So these are the negative things. Stock is trading 4 times its book value, and promoter holding is decreased by the 6%. If you are talking about the CAGR return, compounded annual growth returns, in 1 year you can say 193%, 3 year 39%, 5 year 21%, 10 year 44%. If you're talking about the returns on equity, then you are in this last year 19%, last 3 year 16%, 5 year 18 percentage, and 10 year 18%. So the returns of equity and the CAGR are so, these stocks never returns with the negatives, but they are always positive, more than 18% returns on equities. If you're talking about the sales growth, compounded sales growth, uh, this year till now 14%, the last 3 year 23%, and 5 years 15%, and 10 year 90%. If we're talking about the compounded profit growth, still the same story, 36% till now, and 24% 3 year, 28% 5 year, and 10% 10 year 26%. So profit growth, sales growth, compounded CAGR growth, and return on equities all are the positives and handsome returns this stocks has provided. If you're talking about the shareholding patterns, okay, so this the initially in December 2020 44% share held by the promoter, and now this is the 42% currently. So these are the decreasing here, here as well as here as well as here same. So here the same, and then in the last 3 quarters they are decreasing. So almost 6%. But if you notice this stocks already invested by your insurance company LIC. They have holding three per. They have increased his shareholding patterns in just June quarter from 2% to 3.8%. So some organizations, if you know, he generally LIC, if investing in a particular uh, stocks, they have a, very kind of a secure kind of a stocks where they can get some benefits. And so if I'm talking about the two-day trade session, as today this stocks is trading 384, around one and 1.5% more than up. And if you are talking about the total deliverable for this quantity, this stocks is delivering more than 58% delivery of these trades. Okay, so the investors are very keen to taking a delivery of these stocks as well. More than 58% is very huge percentage for the delivery perspectives. Okay, if you're talking about the 52-week high 406, and 50-week low 114, that is the March 2020. So now this stock currently trading near about near about to your 52-week high, you can say. If I'm talking about the last 5 year chart of these organizations, so last 5 year back, this is stock is trading near about your more than 100 rupees, and now this is stocks. If you talking are trading, use are here almost near about 400 rupees. Okay, so these stocks is consistently performing the same returns, and but this 2020 they have a drastically improved this the shareholding patterns. So from the long term perspective, these stocks can be one of a good investment. Reason is that the behind the work what company is doing, so they are building a very common used product like paracetamol, that like ibuprofen, the product and business where this is company is working. From that perspectives, this is stocks, and given the growth is very tremendous in last 5 year, or you can say in this year 2020 as well as, and if you're talking about the last 10 year, still they are giving the huge return to the investors. So here our main motive to update about this stocks you, so that you know this stocks granules india limited is the one stocks which, if you are thinking to investment in a pharmaceutical company, then this one stock can be keep on your eye and do some own research and analysis, find what kind of data I have shown, and you find the similar data and what your perspective say this company can company business kind future oriented, and they are continuing business in coming 5 to 10 years or not. And if they continue, if you are looking the last chart, last 5 year chart, if you are looking, still last 5 year they are not going to drastically down in the stock price as well as, because they are consistently maintain his profit growth, sales growth as well as. So from this some facts which are shown by these stocks, this company is taking highlights, so that you as an investor you should have to think for your research and analysis. So my recommendation is that this is a good company from business perspective, from futures perspective, but you have to do your own research and analysis on this. And after that, if you think, if you have a very long term perspective, 3 to 5 year or 10 year, this stock can be one of the good stock for the future growth as well as. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.